Welcome. For the next 10 minutes, we'll begin this day with clarity. We'll slow down, breathe, and plant one clear intention into the soil of the mind, a seed to guide your choices and energy through the hours ahead. So take a deep inhale through the nose and exhale slowly through the mouth. And again, inhale fully and exhale completely. So one more time now, drawing in energy and exhale, letting go of heaviness. So let your body settle into comfort now. Feel the ground or seat beneath you holding you. There's no rushing, just being here and now. So bring awareness to this moment, the first quiet space of your day. Notice how your body feels after rest. Maybe it's heavy, maybe it's restless, and maybe it's even calm. Notice how your mind feels. Thoughts may already be stirring, lists forming, and plans rushing in. So just let them be. For now, you're simply arriving. So take another breath in and let it out nice and smooth. So now, imagine your mind as a room. And right now it may feel cluttered with thoughts. And with each breath, picture yourself opening a window, letting fresh air in. And then see the clutter begin to clear. Papers drift away, dust dissolves, and space opens. Each inhale brings clarity, and each exhale releases what is not needed. So rest in this fresh, open space for a few breaths, while it's time quiet for a moment. Now, imagine in your hand that you hold a small seed. The seed is your intention for today. It holds the power to guide your actions, your energy, and your attention. So bring to mind what you need most today. Maybe calm, maybe courage, maybe focus. maybe even patience. Whatever arises first, just trust it. That's your seed. And then whisper silently, "Today my intention is," and then name it yourself. Now, picture yourself planting this seed in the soil of your heart. Place it in gently and cover it. Cover it with care. And with each inhale, imagine you're watering the seed with the breath. And with each exhale, imagine roots growing deeper into the earth, steady and strong. Your intention is alive now, planted and rooted. So let's breathe with the seed. Inhale, draw in energy for your intention. And exhale, release anything that blocks it. So again, inhale nourishment, and then exhale doubt and resistance. So just stay with this rhythm for a few breaths, feeding your seed silently, whilst I'm quiet for a moment. Now imagine your day unfolding before you, like a path stretching outward. See yourself walking this path with your intention alive inside you. If your intention was calm, see yourself moving through challenges with a steady breath. And if it was courage, see yourself speaking clearly and standing tall. And if it was focus, see yourself completing tasks with clarity. And if it was patience, see yourself meeting delays with ease. Watch the seed grow into action, guiding you step by step. And then whisper silently, letting them anchor into your mind. I begin this day with clarity. I carry my intention with me. I return to wherever I need. My day is guided by what matters most. Feel the strength of these words settle into your breath, your body, and your path ahead. Take one last deep breath in. Imagine the seed glowing in your chest, steady and alive. And then exhale, releasing anything unnecessary. Now bring movement back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes now. Stretch your arms. And roll your shoulders gently. And now you can open your eyes and carry this truth with you. You don't drift into your day. You shape it. Your intention is planted, and it will grow. Welcome to your morning. Namaste.